country. So here we have two teams, this team in the favor of Hindi and this team in the favor of English. So it is an interesting debate, so listening carefully. So let me start the debate. So firstly I would like to invite Mr. Devanand. Mr. Devanand, tell your views please.
English is the best language because in today's modern world, the English language has become part and parcel of every exciting field. It has been an international language of communication, business, science, information, technology, and entertainment. Have you got it?
Mr. Devanand can say that English is the communication language and it is the international language. So we can use the English. So it is very important to us. Mr. Ishan, tell your views please.
And as a direct line of evolution to Sanskrit as such it is part of one of the old religious literary tradition. Have you got it?
Mr. Ishan can say that Hindi is the old language and we can use the Hindi and it is the used in Sanskrit also. So we can use Hindi. So Mr. Tinku, tell your views please.
English language play an essential role in our life. It's help in communication. It is the main language for studying and subject all over the world. Important for students as it broadens their minds, develop environment skills, improve the quality of life by providing job opportunities. Can you got it?
Mr. Tinku can say that English is the entertainment language and it is the communication language and it is the spoken language of Indian language. So it is very useful to us. Mr. Mayank, tell your views please.
The Hindi language because today's modern world communication can be done across India today. We should be proud of the Hindi language because today Hindi is one of the most spoken languages all over the world. Have you got it?
Mr. Mayank can say that Hindi is the one spoken of the language of all over the world. So it is very useful to us. So Miss Siddhi, Umani, tell your views please.
But English is too easy to learning and speak also. Have you got it?
Miss Imani can say that English is very easy for learning and writing and Hindi is very hard for learning and writing. So English is very easy so for learning. Mr. Preet, tell your views please.
Many Hindi competitions are organized in schools on this day. These includes Hindi essay writing, speech and debate competitions. So Hindi is important for us.
Mr. Preet can say that Hindi is useful for us and Hindi is used in dialogue, speech and competition. So it is very useful to us. Mr. Abhinav, tell your views please.
English is the language of science of aviation, computers, diplomacy. It's also the language of international communication, the media and the internet. So learning English is important for socializing and entertainment as well as work. Can you got it?
Mr. Abhinav can say that English is the language of science and communication. So it is very useful to us and it is media language so we can use it. So it is very useful to us. Mr. Lucky, tell your views.
Hindi is one of the most widely spoken language in the world. Hindi is really a very sweet and easy to understand language. We want to communicate with the rest of part of the world. Hindi is our mother tongue, so Hindi is very easy. Have you got it?
Mr. Lucky can say that Hindi is the spoken language and it is the mother tongue language so we can use it. So it is very useful to us. Mr. Jatin, tell your views.
English is such an awesome language is that it's second most widely spoken language in the world by far. The English learned language with an estimated 1.5 billion learners. English is the official language of WHO and the European Union. Have you got it?
Mr. Jatin can say that Hindi is the one second spoken language and 1.5 billion people can use the English and it is very useful to us. Miss Siddhi, tell your views please.
Now we are celebrating Hindi Divas. Hindi Divas is a mark of the adopt and import 250 million people around the globe use Hindi, so that's why Hindi is very important for us. Can you got it?
Miss Siddhi can say that Hindi English is very useful to us and it is the old language and 2.5 billion people can use the Hindi. So it is very useful to us. What a wonderful debate by these students. So I hope you take interest in these students. So give